All right, what's up, YouTube? This is GMac. We're gonna do a quick video on my 5 funded accounts. We've got 10 days. We've got payouts, and that's times 5. So uh, we're doing we're doing really good on that. And here's the stats. I've been doing 7:30 to 8:15, and it's been treating me well. You win some, you lose some, and what's really getting me is I had a buddy had a short today, and it was self-sabotaging. Not these are the other 3 accounts. It's the same, so it's times 5. About 7,500. Um, not feeling like you don't deserve it, and you do. You put in the work, but just somebody like me that's never had anything or tried for anything. I always just worked and tried to do good at work, and I never opened my eyes up till I got older and later in life, and I should have set a daily loss limit. I get on here. This is my routine. I get a payout. I get 2 payouts. I get all my accounts going, and then I end up blowing up, and that's what happened to me. Just now. Um, I have these good stretches of 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes a month, and I'm not disciplined enough to set a daily loss and to stick to a set of rules. And if I continue to go down this path, um, it's always going to be like this. It's always going to be, which I'm making money. I'm up right at 20,000 profit, for the year, just a little bit under. It's between 19 and 20, and I've made a fortune compared to my job. But you know, there we go. I over leveraged. I moved my stop loss. I wasn't journaling. Um, I forgot how much drawdown I had, which I should never be in this. $1,100. And if the market goes to um, where was it? 160. I would have my first trade. My first 2 trades was minus. I was minus five, about minus 500. But if the market ends up going, um, where was we at? 8 o'clock there. Yeah, we was plus. Yeah, if the market goes to about right here, I would have made it all up. I wouldn't have been making this video, and that's where I think it's going to go. I ultimately think it's going to drop down to about right here before it moves higher. But um, as you can see, I've just screwed up. I'm just rambling. Um, just breaking your rules. I'm entering. I was entering. Um, where was I at? In this fair value gap here, and then it broke it. Then I got back in, and it started going down in my favor. I should have just got out here, and then it goes back up against me, and this is what got me out instead of waiting on my setup. And if I needed that big a stop, I should have, been sizing down. And it's just aggravating to keep making the same mistakes and then watching the market go to where you ultimately think it's going to go. It's just self-sabotage at its finest, but it's more than that. It's like a discipline. It's it's knowing I know what I should do. As you can see, they're all screwed up here. Every one of them. I'm done. I gotta start all over. Um, it's just lack of discipline, lack of following rules. I should have a daily loss limit in here, and I don't. It should never get to this point right here. Um, so that's where I'm at. I mean, I'm just aggravated. I know I'll bounce back, get it back, and I've got multiple payouts. I'm way ahead so far, but I would just like to string together, um, more than a few good weeks. I'm over the get a payout or two and then blow up and start over. So whether I win or lose, I'm always going to be transparent about it, and I have to learn from my mistakes, and this is just one of them. Over leveraging and just breaking every rule again. It's just uncalled for. But just want to let you know where I was at with it. At least we got the two good payouts on 5 accounts that definitely gives us some money to work with moving forward. And that's what we're going to do is just learn from it and you know do a better job of practicing what we preach. But God bless you and good luck trading.